What's up guys, Micoola here, back with another firework video. Would it even be one of my firework videos if something didn't go according to plan? So I had been planning on going up to this cabin for New Year's Eve, but I was really kind of just piggybacking off of Garrett's invitation to this cabin. There was gonna be like 10 people there, and I had met him before, but that was fine and everything. But there's been a change of plans, and he's actually probably going to be coming back to Raleigh this evening. So I need to find a new plan of action for New Year's Eve. So there's a couple options that come to mind. There's this guy that DM'd me the other day who's from the area and said if I needed land to shoot fireworks on New Year's Eve, he had a place for me, which is awesome. But I messaged him back like 2 days ago and I haven't heard back from him yet. Also, I think I'm gonna throw something up on my Instagram story just saying, hey, I'm trying to find somewhere to shoot fireworks on New Year's Eve. If you know of a place or you wanna join me or you whatever, like slide into my DMs. Another option this is like the last option. I really would rather not do this, but if I can't find a place to shoot them off, then I might just try to find a fireworks show and go to that and get as close as possible so that I do have some type of content. Nobody responded to my Instagram story with a place to go to, so it looks like I'm going to be going to the fireworks here downtown tonight. I did message one of the event organizers to see where the fireworks were being launched from, so I'm gonna try to get as close to that as possible. I thought I'd take a little ride on my bike right now downtown to scope it out. Funny little story right here. This is where the acorn actually sits all year whenever it's not being dropped from the sky. They actually come with like a crane and they picked it up from this pedestal that it was sitting on and they took it over to the main street. Then they'll put it back there when it's done. So I thought that's kind of cool. This is the Raleigh Memorial Auditorium, and this is where they're going to be shooting the fireworks from. So I don't know how close they'll let us, like in this lawn, or how close I can get. I'm gonna try to get as close as possible.
Approximately 10 hours later.
T-minus 1 hour until the fireworks. You ever just wonder what you're doing with your life? Your friends are all out partying and you're riding a bike 2 miles in 35-degree weather to watch fireworks by yourself. But I'm not by myself because I've got you guys here with me, right? You guys are really gonna have to let me know how this goes because yeah, I don't know if this type of thing is acceptable. If, you know, I know people like the firework videos whenever I'm actually in them and I'm launching them, but I really have no idea how this is going to go. So you're gonna have to leave a comment or let me know. But yeah, I guess I wouldn't know if this kind of thing would be acceptable unless I try it. So here we are. Are these fireworks considered legal or illegal? I assume like some professional pyros will be putting this event on. Big party over there. I mean, I'd rather be out here building my YouTube channel, working for, you know, a dream of mine, than just turning up anyway. I mean, it is New Year's, so you don't really want to be by yourself, but you know, you gotta grind sometimes. There's definitely a energy in the air tonight. Look straight ahead, Ferris wheels. So I can't believe it, but I found where they're shooting the fireworks and I can actually see the cakes that they have and the artillery tubes, and they're just sitting right there in the open. I thought it was gonna be like behind a building or there'd be like some barricade up, but I think I'll be able to get right right within like, I don't know, maybe 100 feet of where they're launching the fireworks, which would be awesome. I heard some fireworks going off in the distance. It kind of feels like the Wild West right now out here. I've never been really in a downtown area in a bigger city for New Year's, but it's definitely an energy in the air. But I've got about a half an hour now just waiting for the fireworks to come. So yeah, here are the fireworks. We've got some cakes there, looks like. Looks like some 500-gram repeaters. I don't know if there's anything bigger than that there. See some smaller ones, probably 200 grams. But look at that. This will be an awesome perspective if they're going off right here. I mean, we're right downtown. Then we've got some more right here. So these are just some massive tubes. And then it looks like there's even some more cakes down here. So decent little show here. I was kind of expecting more, but you know, Raleigh's not that big of a city. There's a guy back here behind me, and he just has a camera pointed at the sky. He's gonna take pictures of the fireworks. That'd be a pretty cool job. Where do I sign up for that? Knew it was too good to be true. Ugh. So a cop just came over and told me that, he's like, have you ever been here for fireworks before? And I was like, nah, and he was like, all right, well, eventually you're gonna need to move back like close to that building behind me. I mean, it surprises me, but like not really, because you saw how close I just were to those fireworks, and I just could not see like how they could allow that if they're going off and just civilians were that close. Looks like I'm already roped in. Maybe I should just stay. I mean, we still have a decent shot, but I'm way too close to this music. I can't stand here. Copyright issues. I can't believe how no one's over on this side of the fireworks. I think this is the spot. Best spot.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right. These are the big ones. Holy crap. Holy crap. There's so much fire. What the hell? What? Oh my God. Woo! Oh. Woo! All right. Happy New Year. Wow. That end was amazing. Get any good ones? 2020, hey, nice. You took 2020 pictures. Really? Is that like an experiment or something?
Took the calculator and I point.
Okay.
0.02020. Then I zoomed it to crop that off. Then I zoomed it again to convert it horizontally.
So you took 2020 pictures. That's amazing. That's cool. Are you gonna post them anywhere?
No, I just
for yourself? Cool, man.
I like to see what they look like.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, my
Yeah, Happy New Year, dude.
friend. You got a DSLR.
Okay. That end was insane. I've never been that close to fireworks that big. Like, I felt like it was gonna make my heart like burst out of my chest. That was crazy. That was definitely worth it. Wasn't as close as I would have liked, but wow, that was great. That was way better than any show that I could have ever pulled off. At least right now, maybe in a couple years. But that was awesome. We got some fireworks. We got a good show, I think. Hopefully everyone enjoyed that. That was a little different. Fireworks right downtown like that. I don't know. Let me know what you thought of it. And Happy New Year, guys. Happy 2020.